Every AI video tool you've tried gives you the same annoying result, a cool 5-second clip that ends right when it gets interesting. No story, no message, nothing you can actually run as an ad or post as real content. This tool claims to fix that completely, full-length, scene-consistent videos from a single prompt, using 3 of the most talked-about video AI models out right now, all in one dashboard. I tested it to see if long-form AI video is actually real yet, or still mostly marketing. Let's find out together. Hey, welcome back. If you're new here, I test AI tools before you spend money on them, and AI video is one of the fastest-moving, most oversold categories out there right now. So I want to separate what this tool genuinely does from what the sales page promises. AI Long Video Creator is a cloud dashboard that generates full-length videos from a single text prompt, and it's built around access to 3 real, premium video models, Kling 3.0, Google Veo 3.1, and Runway Gen 4.5, instead of locking you into just one. Let's see how it actually works. Quick heads up, I'll drop the official link with the current launch price in the description box below. This is a one-time launch price that the page says rises once the timer runs out, so if it fits after this review, grab it while you're watching. Now let's break down what's really inside. Here's the real problem with the first wave of AI video tools. Most of them cap out at 3 to 5 seconds per clip. That's fine for a novelty post, but it's genuinely useless for the things that actually matter. You can't run a real ad in 5 seconds, you can't tell a story that builds desire, and you definitely can't build a YouTube channel out of clips that end before the viewer understands what they're watching. So creators were stitching together a dozen tiny clips by hand, which turns a fast AI tool back into hours of manual editing, completely defeating the point. On top of that, the models actually capable of longer, more coherent video, Kling, Veo, Runway, are usually locked behind separate monthly subscriptions, each running $30 to $100 plus a month on their own. Wanting access to more than one of them for comparison means stacking multiple bills. Let's go through the real feature set in detail. Long-form video generation, the core claim, full-length videos from a single prompt, not short disconnected clips. This is the entire value proposition of the tool, so I'd pay close attention to actual sample outputs before deciding this holds up for your specific use case. 3 elite models in one dashboard, Kling 3.0, known for realistic motion and longer sequences, Google Veo 3.1, cinematic quality with sound generation, and Runway Gen 4.5, strong scene control and consistency. You can pick whichever fits the video you're making instead of being locked to one engine. Single prompt workflow, type your idea, and it's meant to build out scenes, motion, and flow automatically, rather than you assembling a timeline by hand. Smooth scene consistency, aimed at avoiding the jarring, disconnected look of stitched-together short clips, continuous scenes instead of jump cuts. AI voiceover plus auto subtitles, narration and captions added automatically, which matters a lot given most social video is watched with sound off. Text, image and script to video, you're not limited to starting from a blank prompt, you can also start from an existing image or script. Every aspect ratio, 16:9, 9:16, and 1:1 covers YouTube, Reels, Shorts, and TikTok without needing to re-export or reformat manually. 4K upscaling, output can be enhanced to higher resolution for a more polished, publish-ready result. Multi-language support, 30+ languages listed for both video and voiceover generation. Commercial license included, you're allowed to create and sell videos to clients, keeping 100% of what you charge, at the base price. Unlimited downloads, no watermarks, exported videos are yours to use without a branded watermark. So on paper, this is a genuinely ambitious pitch, real, named premium models, combined into one workflow, aimed squarely at the exact gap, long-form AI video, that's been missing from this category. This is the part of the review I think matters most, so stay with me. The page states this gives you unlimited access to Kling 3.0, Veo 3.1, and Runway Gen 4.5, forever, for a $14.95 one-time payment, with 0 monthly fees. I want to be upfront, these are real, premium models that cost real money to run on the back end for whoever operates this dashboard. Video generation, especially longer and higher resolution output, is genuinely expensive computationally, which is exactly why the standalone subscriptions to these models run $30 to $100 plus a month in the first place. That doesn't mean the tool doesn't work as described. Bundling access to multiple APIs behind a flat fee is a legitimate business model plenty of tools use. But unlimited, forever, one-time access to genuinely premium compute is the specific claim I'd want verified before assuming it holds at real, heavy usage. Look closely at the dashboard once you're in for any mention of monthly generation credits, render queues, or fair use limits, since sales pages in this exact category sometimes describe a credit-based system as unlimited in the marketing copy. Given all that, here's who this actually makes sense for. This is a strong fit if you are a faceless YouTube creator or content marketer who's been limited by 5-second AI clips and needs something long enough to actually hold a viewer. A freelancer or agency owner wanting to offer AI-generated ads or explainer videos to clients without stacking 3 separate subscriptions yourself. Someone who wants to compare multiple premium video models on the same project without paying for each individually. This is not a fit if you need guaranteed, unlimited heavy daily rendering for a large-scale production pipeline. For that kind of volume, going direct to the model providers with clear usage terms may still make more sense until you've confirmed exactly what this dashboard's real limits are. Now the price. I'm going to skip the $12,000 plus bundled value stack on the page. That's launch page math, not a real market comparison. Here's what matters. Launch price today, $14.95, one-time payment. The page states this rises once the countdown ends, and that premium models or features may move to higher tiers after launch. There's an optional upsell, around $9.95, for additional agent features and support, completely optional, evaluated on its own merits rather than assuming you need it. Commercial license included at the base price. 30-day money-back guarantee. Compare that to $30 to $100 plus per month for any one of these models individually. And even with some healthy skepticism about the unlimited framing, the front-end price is a low-risk way to actually test whether the long-form output quality holds up for your use case. Fair pros and cons, this is what actually builds trust with you. White heavy checkmark what I liked. Genuinely targets the real, well-documented gap in AI video, the jump from disposable 5-second clips to usable long-form content. Bundling 3 named, real premium models instead of locking you to one is a legitimately useful pitch, if the access holds up as described. Auto voiceover, subtitles, and multi-aspect ratio export remove real, tedious post-production work. Commercial license and no watermark downloads included at a low entry price. 30-day guarantee keeps testing at low risk. Warning what to know before buying. Treat unlimited, forever, one-time access to genuinely premium AI models with healthy skepticism until you've confirmed the real usage limits inside the actual dashboard. This is the single claim on the page most worth verifying yourself. Judge scene consistency and voiceover quality from full sample videos, not just the page's curated highlight clips. Like any prompt-based generation tool, output quality will vary depending on how specific and well-structured your prompt is. Expect some trial and error to get results you're happy with. The testimonials and specific income examples, $400 for a client video, etc., are individual, unverified claims, a useful illustration of the business model, not a typical guaranteed outcome. None of that means the tool doesn't do what it says. The core idea addresses a real, documented gap. It just means that unlimited forever framing deserves a closer look once you're actually inside using it. So, is AI long video creator worth it? If you've been limited by short AI clips and want to test whether real, long-form video generation across multiple premium models is finally usable for actual content or client work, $14.95 with a 30-day guarantee is a low-risk way to find out. Just go in checking the real generation limits for yourself rather than assuming unlimited means what it sounds like. If long-form AI video fits what you're trying to create, for your own channel or for client work, here's what to do next. The page states this launch price rises once the timer ends, so today is the cheapest this will be. Click the official link in the description box below this video. That's the only link I'm sending you to. It goes straight to the real offer page, and you're covered by that 30-day money-back guarantee. Click that link, generate a few test videos first to confirm the real limits and quality for yourself, and if this review helped you see past the hype to what's genuinely useful here, hit subscribe. I break down tools like this every week so you don't have to gamble your money finding out yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.